Alright, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it's worth. Let's get this merch. Subscribe to the PDH network. Okay, look what we have here. Now, this is based on, a life insurance policy, man. We know how I get when that money is involved. This is nothing towards me or Jay. This is Young Dolph properly setting up his family the way he's supposed to. But allegedly, one of me or Jay's cousins from Detroit came out and stated that how much the life insurance policy was worth. And not only that, but the time in which the policy was created, or the time in which the policy took action. All right. And now, again, nothing towards me or Jay. She's doing what she need to do, take care of Young Dolph's seeds. You know what I'm saying? But you do have people, you know what I'm saying, the family that just want their 10 minutes of fame. You know, so they would say whatever is needed, you know, especially if me or Jay being the cousin that wasn't kind of like involved in our life, because, you know, sometimes people can become very messy and it can put a strain on the relationship that you have with your significant other. So again, going back, you know, always we would like to say rest in peace, Young Dolph, and condolences to the family. Shout out Paper Route Empire, and much love to all my guys in Dolph land. Okay, so now, $20 million life insurance policy, okay? We understand that this will properly set up the family, you know what I'm saying? But it's just, I believe, when it was asked, when was it so-called put into action? You know, she stated just a couple weeks before the whole Makedas situation went down, you know what I'm saying? And it had people suspicious, you know? Again, to me, I believe, right, that this is my opinion, that Young Dolph was familiar with something coming. Because if you guys pay attention to the videos that he was putting out before his untimely demise, they spoke volumes, you know what I'm saying? It spoke like him struggling between two sides, you know what I'm saying? Was he doing right by not signing? You know, was he doing for the best interest for not only Paper Route, but for his family for generations, you know what I'm saying? So when you have that mentality, it comes with people with their hand out, and the handout is them offering you something, but it's them taking more out of what you created, out of your intellectual property, right? And Young Dolph understood this to the highest magnitude. Okay, he was a very smart guy, especially when he paid attention to the moves that people would make in the rap industry. That's why he didn't have no friends in the rap industry, associates. I mean, a few. I mean, of course, we see and know. One of them being Gucci Mane, 1017, new Icy CEO. You know, you see them, they out there teaming up with PRE, 1017 and PRE doing their things, doing tours and shows and all kind of events together. You know what I'm saying? So, again, with that being stated, you have different people, like I was saying, like with their hand out. And when people have their hand out, again, it could be at your expense. You know what I'm saying? Because they could be saying that, this is a good plan, it's a good idea, but again, it's up to you. It's taking more out of you than them. You feel what I'm saying? So again, back to the policy, right? Again, what I was stating was that Young Dolph, Paper Route Frank, he was flipper. He was very familiar on, I believe, what was to come. Because again, like I just told you guys, his videos, the messaging in his songs, they spoke volumes. So I believe since he was rapping this, you know what I'm saying, like, and creating videos behind his message, that he was really understanding like the next level in life, right? You know what I'm saying? That would be to properly set up your family, because you understand that you are in an arena filled with a lot of vultures. You know what I'm saying? And so once you're in an arena filled with a lot of vultures to that magnitude, you have to make sure that you and your family, you know what I'm saying, your seeds are properly set up the best way you could, you know, and that's through the instances of a trust, life insurance policy, all those things, right? That will, proper documents that will put your family in a position that even though you're you're no longer here, but they're not struggling and striving, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people know that, you know, again, Young Dolph, he was very advanced as far as when it come to setting up what's beneficial for you, not only for you, but your family, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what we understand, that's what his moves were for. And again, he even stated that in his songs and his videos, and to let y'all know that, again, most of all the videos that he was doing, like, included his guys, you know what I'm saying, from PRE or different family members, or like from Memphis to Chicago. Again, he was just that guy that always looked out. So this is why this video, thank y'all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This video is based on, again, Young Dolph $20 million life insurance policy, right? It could be more than that. I believe this is just somebody that was throwing out there an estimation. But hey, when Young Dolph he has assets, things of that nature, that's would make his life insurance policy probably more than $20 million, especially if he didn't even want to take a $20 million deal, a $22 million deal, actually, that was offered to him from a record label. You know what I'm saying? Now, we don't know, allegedly, if somebody that works with on that side, right, could have sent a message with the 22 shots. Okay? I'm just saying, people got to pay attention and connect the dots, because I understand that people do send messages. It's just very subtle. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of times you can't catch it when it's right in your face. And he let us know years back that, hey, these folks tried to offer me $22 million. He even made a video about it. And then created other videos about it called Rich SLAVE. You know what I'm saying? But he was on a farmland or on a plantation. And he was that, you know what I'm saying, that guy, that the Django so-called B that came on the scene that was like, yeah, I ain't signing nobody, I ain't chaining nobody. And then you had the guy, the Caucasian guy, talking to the black dude about, the black helper about, I'm gonna take everything 360 him. You know what I'm saying? And again, he letting y'all know, like, these the kind of things like they was trying to throw at him. He was like, nah, I ain't going. So this is why I keep saying that you have two sides and Young Dolph in the middle. You have the business arena and you have the streets. Because again, people from the streets can come from a different point of view from people in the business. People from the business is strictly on monopolizing on what you created, right? Dealing with the streets, they just want to destroy, right? It's different. It's a different mentality. You know what I'm saying? It's a different angle, I should say, right? And again, we have to pay attention to that, to the moves that's being played, and we will see who is really at play here on the chessboard. All right? Hey, but y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it's worth. Let's get this merch. Subscribe to the PDH Network.